Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, French onion grilled cheese and Cowboy Caviar Couscous salad. The morning mise en place. The prep for the couscous salad. The fixings for the dressing. Everything in the bowl for the dressing. And everything mixed up. The liquids are ready for the couscous. And the couscous doing its thing. The final mise en place for the couscous salad. Everything in the bowl except for the dressing. And here's the final presentation of the couscous salad. The grilled cheese prep. And the final mise en place for the grilled cheese. Heating up some oil and melting the butter. Add all the onions. Add all the other ingredients. And here's what the onions look like when they start off. And here's what they look like at the end. The build station for the grilled cheese. Robin's grilled cheese being built. My grilled cheese on the first side. Flip to the second side. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.